Good morning my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Students, in previous video we have completed from 1st main to 9th main. Today let us begin 10th question. Student, it is very important and interesting question. Pay attention. I don't get confused. Okay. The 10th question is, a water tank has step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. There are 3 sub question again. It is according to question, what they are telling, the monkey is sitting at the topmost of the tank. So it wants to reach the water level which is at the 9th step. The monkey is sitting at the topmost and it wants to reach what the water level. Means it is the water level reach when it step to the 9th step. See students, these are the 9th step here. It want to reach where? Water tank. The steps are below the tank, so that's why we labeled the steps in the negative number. Here, because the monkey is moving down to reach water level, since it's moving down, the steps notified with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Did you got why we took minus? Because monkey is moving downside, so we have to take negative numbers. Okay, understood the main question? It is sitting at the topmost and moving down to reach a water level. So the number of steps written in a negative sign. Okay. See the first question. He jumps. He means a monkey. Monkey jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps in the 2 step up. Monkey jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Monkey will reach the water level according to the question. Now in the first part of the question, monkey is sitting at the topmost of the step and it wants to go 9th step inside, means it is moving down the water tank so that it reaches water level. It reaches the water level. Okay. If you see, monkey does not reach the straight way, but what does it do? In every jump it moves 3 steps. It moves 3 steps and then 2 steps up. That is alternate movement. This is how monkey reach the water level. Okay. Means 3 steps it moves down and 2 steps up. By alternate movement it is reaching the water level. Students, according to question, I formed the table here. That is number of jumps and position. With what number of jumps the position of water level reaches. Now let us see here, in which we will notify the observation. How will monkey move to reach water level here? The 3 steps down means will be represented as a -3. -3. 3 steps down. 3 steps down will be represented as a -3 and 2 steps up will be represented as a +2. The first movement, 3 steps down, then how will be the represent in the table? First number of jumps, that is take here 0 and starting stage it is -1. Okay. First step, first jump. First it was in -1 position. It was in this place. it start jumping. -1, is it? And it step first -3. It steps down to the -3. That is -4. Minus into minus plus. 1 plus 3, 4. Which is a greater number? 3. Which sign it has took? -4. Okay. Next, what you will do? Alternate method. 2 steps up. When jumps 3 steps down, it was here. Is it? Next, alternate method. It steps 2 steps up. It jumps 2 steps up. Means -4. Second step, what jump, what it will do? 2. Second jump -4 plus 2. Why? Because when it jumps down 3 steps down, we took as a -3. And second alternate method, what it will do? It steps up. It steps 2 steps up. So -4 plus 2. That is minus into plus minus. 4 minus 2. Which is a greater number? 4 minus 2. Now in second jump, which position it has took? This. Okay. Next jump. Here we have to continue till it reaches water level. Okay. Next jump, third jump. Means where it is position now? At -2. Start with here. Now again it jumps, it moves 3 steps down. 3 steps down. From -2 to it goes to the 3 steps. Okay. -5. -5. -2 -3. Minus into minus plus. 3 plus 2, 5. Which side is greater? Which number is greater? 3. Which side it has to? Minus. -5. See, now exact position of this monkey is now on -5. Next alternate method. It step back. Oh, is it? Step up 2. Step up at 2. See, now fourth jump, step up by 2. That is -5 plus 2. -5 plus 2. Now it is position in fourth jump. Its position is -5. Alternate method. It want 2 steps up. Is it? It will going upside down. That is plus into minus. Minus 5 plus 2 it is, sorry, plus into minus. 5 minus 2, 3. Which is greater number? 5. Which sign it has to? Minus. So -3. Now which position now? Now monkey is in this position. When it is fourth jump. Next jump. See, fifth jump. Now position of monkey is -3. Next what you will do? Again it will jump 3 steps down. 3 steps down means again -3. Minus into minus plus. 3 3 6. Which side? -6. In fifth step, which position it has took? -6. Okay. Next, sixth jump. What you have to do? What he is to do? It jumps 2 steps back. Means 2 steps up. It will jump. That is position of now monkey. It is -6, and it steps up 2. Up means plus 2. Plus into minus. Which number is greater? 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Which number is greater? 6. So -4. Now which position it has took? -4. Okay. Next it want to jump. Now it took plus 2 up. Now it is taking again 3 steps down. 3 steps down means 1 2 3. Is it? Now it come to this place. See, according to, by doing some we can. In seventh jump again it jumps what here? 3 steps down. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 4 plus 3 7. Which number is greater? 4. Which sign we have to do? Minus. Understood? Okay. Next, in 7th jump, where it will be in minus 7th place. Is it? And next alternate method, it jump again 2 steps up. 2 steps up means 1 2. In 8th jump, it will be which position? Minus 7 plus 2. Plus into minus, minus. 7 minus 2, 5. Which number is greater? 7. Which sign it has to? Minus 5. Now on 8th jump, where it is? Minus 5. Understood? Next. Next, in 8th jump, it is position took minus 5. Again, alternate method. Next, plus 2. It has took now. Minus in 9th jump, position of monkey is minus 5. Next, it jumps down 3 steps. So, equals to minus into minus plus. That is 5 plus 3, 8. Which number is greater? 5. So, minus 8. Now, in 9th jump, which position monkey took? Minus 8th step. Okay. From minus 5 to minus 8. Now, alternate method movement. Now, it steps up 2. Is it? So, in 10th jump, minus 8. The position of monkey now. Minus 8. It step up 2 steps. Is it? Plus 2 now. Minus into plus, minus. 8 minus 2, 6. Which number is greater? Minus. So, minus 6. Now, it took which position? Minus 6 position. Means, position it stood here. Means, first it was minus 8 step and it takes 2 steps up. Then it will be in which position? Minus 6 position. From here, again he is going to jump 3 steps down. 3 steps down to reach a water level. See now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When it reaches minus 9 step, what will be here? This is water level of the tank. Is it? On 11th jump, minus 6. Okay. Minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 6 plus 3, 9. Which number is greater? 6. Which sign it has took? Minus 9. Minus 9 is what here? Water level. Water level of the tank. So, from 11 by 11 jumps, it takes to reach water level. Understood? This is a table how it jumps and to reach a water level. Understood? This is a solution for first part of the question. Next question it is, after drinking water, he wants to go back for this. He jumps 4 steps up and jumps back 2 steps down. In every move, in how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? According to second question, which says that after drinking water, means the position of monkey now at the 9th step. Is it? After drinking water, he wants to move the top of the tank. First step. What it does? It wants to reach the topmost level. Now from minus 1 to minus 9 to minus 1 it has to reach. Now this the time moment, it is bit different, is it? Focus here. To move minus 9 to minus 1, 4 step up means 4 step up in the first moment. In second moment it comes down 2 steps. To reach minus 9 to minus 1, again there are 2 alternative movement. First it go 4 steps up and 2 steps down. 4 steps up and next jump it takes 2 steps down. Again monkey does not want to jump in straight way. We will observe the step here also. Starting position now, what here? Minus 9. The number of jump is 0. Starting, which bring, now let's see. In first jump, minus 9, minus 9, minus 4, minus 4 or plus 4, because it moving upmost, so we have to take minus 9 plus 4, plus into minus, minus 9 minus 4, 5. Which number is greater? 9. Which sign it has to? Minus 5. Now monkey is in which position? Minus 5. Yes. And next alternative movement, it comes 2 steps down. 2 steps. When it is minus 5 position, it comes 2 position down. That is minus 6, minus 7. See, in second jump. In second jump, the position of monkey, it is minus 5. It comes down 2 steps. That is, down means what here? Minus 2. Minus into minus, plus. 5 minus 5 plus 2, 7. Which number is greater? 5. Which sign it has to? Minus. Minus 7. Next, in third jump, now its position is minus 7. In second jump, it is minus 7 position. Again, alternative method, it moves 3 steps up. 4 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps up means minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3. Minus 3. In third jump, the position of monkey it is minus 3. Till we have to do till minus 1. The position of monkey, it gets minus 1. We have to do that much. In fourth jump, minus 3. Again when it is minus 3, again it takes 2 steps down, means minus 2. Minus into minus, plus 3. Minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5. Next, in fifth, now position of monkey it is minus 5. And it jumps what here? 4 steps up. After 2 steps down, it takes 4 steps up. In fifth jump, minus 5. The monkey position is now minus 5 and it takes 4 steps up, that is plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4, minus 1. In how many jumps it reaches topmost? On 5 jumps. By 5 jumps, monkey will reach the topmost of the tank. And this is a second part solution. Take table and write number of jumps and position according to the question. Okay. In third part of question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up positive integers, represent is moves in part first and part second by completing the following. See, part A is related to the first part of the question. They have given two parts. This is one part question and this is second one, and this part is only related to the first part of the question. According to this question we have to answer. A part is related to the first question, so in this case we need not to do anything, but we must have represent the alternative movements. Alternative movements wherever the monkey jumps. See, they have given one sequence, that is -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2. According to it jumps, the total jumps it should equals to what here? -8. Here the number of jumps should be equals to what here? -8. They are asking how many jumps needed to get a -8. So -3 plus 2, this is first jump is, and plus 2 is second jump. They already mentioned 2 jumps. In how many jumps it takes? -8. Takes here -3 first jump, second jump it is plus 2, -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2. See, we get -8 here. First jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump, sixth, seven. Sorry, here -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, see here, -3. First jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 jumps. Means, see now this jumps equals to -8 now. -3 -3, that is -6. -6 -3 -9. -9 -3 -12. -12 -3 -15. -15 -3 -18. And again plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. -18 plus 10 equals to what here? -8. So by 11 jumps we get here, by the number of 11 jumps we get -8. Number of 11 jumps equals to what here? -8. Next here -4. Next they are asked B part question. 4 minus 2 plus this sum equals to what here? 8. Then this part related to the second jump. What the second jumps? 4 steps up, then 4 steps back. Is it? That steps equals to what now here? 8. Now, and number of steps equals to what here? 8. So how many jumps it needed? See, 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. Minus 2 that is -4, -4 minus 2 -6, -6 minus 2 -8. How many jumps needed? 16 minus 8 is 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jumps needed to become a 8 here. Okay. This is about part A and part B. Again they have given the sum -8. This -8 minus 8 represents going down. Minus means what here? Going down. Is it? So what will be the sum? 8 only they have given, means positive number. In B, what it represent? Minus 8 means going down, plus 8 means going up. Step up means going upside. Okay, it means going up by 8 steps. This is the solution for 10th question. Students, with this exercise 1.1 is completed. Go through all videos and practice all the concepts. Thank you.